So please count again. First level of jihad, to be a Muslim yourself. 3 sub-levels, jihad against your baser self, nafs-e ammara, and tujahida nafsaka fi ta'atillah. Number 2, the society, the social pressures. Number 3, shaitan. Behind these social pressures also, and behind your nafs also. Instigating your nafs, exciting your nafs. Second level, dawah, tabligh. First of all, to the topmost class of this society, the intellectual elite, the brain trust. Then, to the common people, through sermon, good sermon. Then you have to go and meet those people who are taking people astray to other wrong and false faiths. Meet them in their own elements. Then to establish the deen of Allah as a real, actual, politico-socio-economic system. First of all, prepare a party based on the discipline of army. Sabota, fasma'u watiyu. Number 2, till such time that the party is small, number is small, still the training is going on. The base is not broad enough. Take every persecution without any retaliation. No revenge whatsoever. If they kill you, let them kill you. If they ask you to lie on live cinders, burning coal, lie down. And Khabbab bin al-Arat radiyallahu ta'ala did so. But final, 9th stage, now come in the field and challenge.